Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find out the best beginner video editor by comparing Shotcut and OpenShot in 2025. If you're looking for the best free beginner video editor in 2025, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. Let's start with our first editor, OpenShot. This one's been around since 2008 and was originally created by someone who just wanted a simple video editor that worked well on Linux. Over the years, it's become a favorite among beginners who want to make clean, basic edits without navigating through complicated menus. OpenShot is free, open source, and keeps things straightforward with a simple drag, drop, trim, and export workflow. If you're looking for something that just works without making things harder, OpenShot keeps it chill. OpenShot comes with a media library packed full of ready-made transitions, titles, and video effects. Just drag and drop what you need and keep editing without missing a beat. The OpenShot video editor lets you add simple animations like fades, slides, or bounce effects with keyframes. You can create a flying text or a cool lens flare in OpenShot. Their built-in options for creating 3D animated titles and effects make your videos feel a little more polished. OpenShot supports over 70 languages and counting. You can even help translate it online so it feels right at home no matter where you're editing from. With these capabilities, OpenShot Video Editor is great when you just need to trim, add a title, throw in a transition, and export without getting lost in advanced settings. Now let's talk about Shotcut. This editor has been around since 2011 and was built by the same folks behind the MLT framework, which powers a bunch of video tools. Like OpenShot, Shotcut is also free and open source, but it packs in more advanced tools for those who want to do a little more than just trim and export. It's a solid step up if you're ready to level up your edits. The Shotcut video editor comes with built-in LUTs and color grading tools, so you can fine-tune the look of your footage without needing extra plugins or paid upgrades. Shotcut includes chroma key support, so you can easily replace green screen backgrounds with anything from cityscapes to custom animations. Use HSL, hue, saturation, lightness, range filters to isolate and edit specific colors in your footage. It's perfect for making your visuals pop or setting a unique tone. If you're in need of captions, Shotcut can automatically generate subtitles with its speech-to-text tool, saving you hours of manual typing. Both the OpenShot and Shotcut video editor are completely free to use. No subscriptions, no watermarks, and no locked features. Since they're open source, you can donate if you'd like to support the developers, but everything you need is available right out of the box. Through that basic comparison, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.